Welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to showing to you how you will upload your project in the GitHub. At first you have to come to your Google account, Google browser, and search bar, just right here and GitHub. Okay, GitHub, then click this plus icon and you'll click here new repository button and write here your folder name where you will put here your project. Then you will copy it like that, rename it, Control C, and you will come back to your GitHub. Then you will paste it. Okay, I already exist on the others repository, that for this reason I cannot make it. Okay, then I will come back in my folder like that here, and now I'll open it, and just here I will click the left button in mouse. Then you will show it git bash here and click here. At first your folder name like that, REST API GitHub repository webcodecamp, and here your folder name will be similar. Otherwise in your git bash here, and just type here git init, then click the enter. Okay, then second step git add. Okay, then click enter. Then every file are add here, and like that you will type here just git commit, then -m, and here you will type all, add all my files. Just put here this line and click this enter. Every folder will be add here. Then you will type here git remote add origin, copy it, copy this here and get remote and your project name. Okay, that's it, and just click here and click the paste here and click the enter. Okay, then you will type here git full origin master. Okay, then click this enter. Okay, then git push, that's the main line, and it will be push your project in the GitHub. Okay, origin, click the enter and wait few minutes. Then it will be automatically rendering your project in the GitHub. That's it. Okay, that's the it is already done. Okay, it's successfully done. I will refresh my browser and I will show it what happened. Okay, this is our project, and this is our project, and I think this is the easy way, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching.